Hey, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about the limiter, part 3, in under a minute.
I mean, the whole point of a limiter really is to smooth out all the jumps and volumes that they are. And that's what the Lookahead does as well. It looks ahead, if you like, at all these little jumps and configures it and figures out how to best smooth it. And that's why I like to keep the Lookahead short, because the longer this is, the more distortion you're going to get. You also have your release time, which sets how long it takes for limiting to stop after the signal drops below the ceiling. And this is also disabled when auto is on. And I pretty much always leave this on auto. For me, that works fine. And you also want to leave this on the end of your master chain. Now, right now, we're putting it on this channel here just for the sake of the tutorial, but this would be on a master channel. The reason we put this on the end is, as you probably noticed, there are huge volume increases every time we add a plugin or a different device, and so we want to make sure we can tame that.